Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you a mini lesson in relationships. During my school days, when I would go and watch these Hindi movies, I found one thing very, very funny. In some of the movies, there was these characters who would say a dialogue something like हम तुम एक रेशम की डोर से बंधे हैं, हम तुम एक कच्चे धागे से बंधे हैं, जब एक खींचता है तो दूसरा खींचा चला आता है. Well, I found this absolutely nonsense. I would think during those times that how can one be, connected with a resham ki door and this weak thread. And by the way, where is this thread? We can't even see this thread. So I found it really ridiculous. But now when I think about it, I think it makes sense. What they were actually talking about is, this resham ki door is the bonding between two people. It is the connection between two people, and it is the relationship between the two people, right? So if you have a connection, if you feel there is a resham ki door between you and the other person, it means your relationship is very good. But if you get the feeling that our relationship is bad, then let me tell you, your resham ki door is disconnected or broken. And many times we have this resham ki door well connected with people who are miles away, and we have this door, broken with people who are very close to us. So think of all the people you are in relationship with, then close your eyes and think with whom you have the door still connected and with whom the door is broken. Now, how can we reconnect this resham ki door, right? So I wish there were some method to, go to the bazaar and buy a new resham ki door and get connected. Or I hope technology comes up with some ideas to reconnect this resham ki door. But what I'm seeing at present is technology is actually breaking off the resham ki door, which is already there, and it is disconnecting more people than ever before. So I was thinking how we can have a new resham ki door and get connected to the people with whom our resham ki door is broken. So I came up with some ideas. Number one, I feel is we need to become more authentic. People are not authentic by, they use fake words, they have a fake tone of voice, they have a fake body language. So we need to become authentic. We are just trying to be a goody-goody person. We are not, the person we are. We put up a mask and then we hide behind this mask. So I think if you become authentic, the door will get connected. Number two, I think when, your intentions are good for everybody concerned. When you have ulterior motives or when you have a secret agenda, then it is not possible to reconnect this door. Number three, when you communicate with the other person without any melodrama, without blaming others or blaming yourself or being superficial. And number four, very important, is when you do what you say you will do. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care.